Kababayan. My name is G. Tanji, coming to you from Los Angeles. And today we've got the Real Estate Buzz with Mia McLeod.
This Real Estate Buzz segment is brought to you by McLeod Associates, a full-service real estate and mortgage firm. It's not about the number of homes we sell, it's about the difference we make in people's lives.
Kasama natin muli si Mia McLeod. Hello, Mia!
Hello, and magandang hapon sa mga viewers natin.
Ay, ang galing-galing. Ang galing-galing mag-Tagalog. Okay, so pag-usapan natin, when it comes to real estate, you know everything, the ins and outs, but people that are looking to buy a home, there's several loan programs out there.
Yes, so
okay,
today's
so let's
segment,
talk about
yes,
that.
we wanted to really just focus on the various loan programs that families can take advantage of that they may not be aware of.
Okay.
First is the FHA loan, which is a government-backed loan, stands for Federal Housing Administration. Very popular among first-time homebuyers for several reasons. There's only requires 3.5% down payment. We had a niece who's only 21. She had 4 uncles contribute to the down payment, $1,000 here or $2,000, because they allow you to use gifted funds. Another great program is the VA loan for our veterans. This one has to be one of my favorite loan programs. It only requires no down payment, 0%, and there's no mortgage insurance on it. And I really feel a lot of our servicemen and women don't take advantage of this program enough.
And what about if you're self-employed? How does that work?
Self-employed, okay, so we all know W-2 earners, a lot easier to determine what their monthly income is. Paycheck, W-2. But how about for the self-employed, 1099, contractors? You know, how do you determine what their monthly income is? It's a little bit tricky. So these banks have come up with more creative loan programs to confirm that. Things like verifying over 24 months bank statements, like the deposits. They try to calculate it based off of the deposits.
Okay.
That's one creative way. So it's nice to see that lenders are being more opened and providing more solutions for our self-employed clients.
Okay.
Another one was the HARP. That's actually not for purchase. It's for refinance. And those are for distressed homeowners, for people that are upside down, meaning they owe more on their property than what it's worth.
Right.
This program was supposed to expire in 2015. The government pushed it out and let it run for 2016.
Okay.
So it's also a great program as well.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
All right. So pag-usapan naman natin ang down payment
0%
gift.
down payment. That's a good one too. It's called the Sapphire program. So no down payment. The only trick here is that there's income limits. So for LA County, San Bernardino, and Riverside, the income limit to be eligible for that loan program is $80,000. If you're in Orange County, it's over $90,000, but it's a 0% down payment program where they give 3 to 5% grant, and you do not have to repay it.
Really?
Yes, it's fantastic. A lot of people don't know about that.
Exactly, Mia.
Yes, that's
You're
my
like
point.
a walking encyclopedia.
So that's why we really are trying to just get workshops, you know, our shows here, just to get our community informed. Because what we're finding is they just don't know who to contact, and they don't know what's available.
Okay, what is
there.
that called?
It's called Sapphire program.
The Sapphire program.
Yeah, they can call our office and we'll go through that. It's all free.
Right.
And it doesn't hurt for them to just see if they're eligible for it.
Wonderful. Okay,
Yes.
we have some success stories that we want to highlight. Pag-usapan natin, the Glatman family just bought, refinanced their home.
Refinance, yes, retired clients. And I love sharing these success stories because it shows kind of the creativity that can happen in a loan to get a deal done. We use some of their assets in their portfolio to generate monthly income to show the qualifying income that we can use. So that was one really good strategy. We've got the Lee family, another refinance. This one really hits home for me because she actually divorced, but the property was always under the ex-husband's name and title, but she was the one that's been paying all this time. She's a single mom. Ex-husband's gone, nowhere to be found.
But she was able to refinance.
Yes, and typically it's really not easy because you need the ex-husband to sign off on a quick claim.
Right.
But we use some solid strategies. We've leveraged our relationships with the title company. We used her divorce decree to show that the husband actually gave her the right to the property, but it was never recorded.
Wonderful.
So we took that extra mile to get it done.
Congratulations then to the Lee family. Also,
Yes.
we want to congratulate the Peralta family. They purchased a home.
Yes, first-time home buyer. Another great thing here is under the FHA program, you'll notice that not all condo communities are FHA approved, which means you can't use an FHA loan to buy in that area. So unfortunately, in her case, the house that she was in escrow in, the FHA requirement got expired.
Okay.
So what's going to happen? She can't take that loan. Well,
Right.
we talked to our bank. Our bank had a third-party vendor that went in and helped us get it reapproved.
Wonderful.
To make it work. So just being very solutions-oriented for our families.
Right. And then
Right.
let's talk about the Vasquez family.
Vasquez and another loan program, hard money loans. Not one of my favorites. They cost a lot. They are higher interest rate, but perfect when you're in an emergency situation because you can get funding in 7 days, 14 days. In her case, it took 14 days, but they don't ask for as much paperwork. Her house was in a little bit of a bind where the bank wanted to foreclose by a certain date. She came to us 30 days before, and she would not get approved traditional because she's retired, not a whole lot of income coming in. So we went to our hard money resource, and they got it done, saved the house for her.
Wonderful. And then lastly, let's talk about the Ubaldo family because this is a great story.
Yes, also another refinance. A lot of people think, like this was between a father and a son. A lot of people think, you know, once you add someone to title, the son on title,
Yes.
that you have to wait 12 months until you can refinance them out. Because the dad is actually the one on the loan and
Right.
on title. Added the son, we were able to refinance him right after.
Wonderful.
We didn't have to wait 12 months.
That's great news.
Yeah.
See
Yeah.
all of these amazing closing stories, right? Please get informed, get in touch with Mia. She has a free East Vale community workshop that she wants to invite everybody. It's free to attend. Just make sure you register. And if you want mortgage reviews, just make sure to go online to do that. You can go to the free online home evaluation at McLeod.smarthomeprice.com. And as usual, referrals are always welcome at McLeod Associates. Mia, thank you for providing such a great resource for our Kababayans.
Thank you so much for having me.
All
Yes.
right, maraming salamat po for watching us on Kababayan Today. Nagpapaalam na po ako. Ako po si G. Tanji. Salamat!